Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you Philips 25-liter digital oven unboxing and first experience. So stay tuned till the end of the video. And this is the first look of the oven. I think it's quite decent. It came along with some accessories. One baking tray, one grilling tray, one rotisserie, two tongues, and one crumb tray inside it. So I will show you the rotisserie function, how the rotisserie is revolving. So we will put the function in roast mode and we can start it, and we'll switch on the light so that you guys can check how the rotisserie is working over here. So this is how our chicken will get roasted. So this is how the rotisserie is functioning inside. So guys, as you can see here, we have a digital display panel and we have function option, light, start and stop. This is the time control knob and this is the temperature control knob. So you can see we have 10 different preset options already there, and we can change according to our interest. So we have toast option, we have bagel option, pizza, then we have bake option, broil, cookies, roast, grill, tikka, and preheat option. In all these options they have already set the temperature and time, and so I will show you quickly. For the first option, toast, we have already the time is set, and the browning level is shown over here. So you can change the browning level according to your interest using this time control knob. Okay, so yeah, this is the toast option. Then for bagel also browning level is little bit more, and time is adjusted. For pizza, for bake, everything time and temperature is adjusted already. If you want to change time and temperature at any time, you can use this manually. Like suppose here the time is given for 30 minutes. If you want to bake for little more time, you can adjust it to 40 minutes, or according to your interest. If you want to change the temperature from 180 to 200 degrees, so you can use this temperature knob and you can change the temperature according to your interest. And they have provided this baking tray. I think it's of a very good quality. And this is the grill tray. This one is the rotisserie. They have provided this tongue, with the help of which we can take out this baking tray. So I have prepared some pizza for the first time in this oven, and I will be inserting the pictures over here. You can see how it has turned out. Next I have baked some muffins, and I have prepared some grilled tandoori chicken. You can see how nice it has turned out. And if you guys are interested in the recipe, please let me know in the comment section so that I can post it in the next videos.